now I'm still at the mall. At the bottom floor, they have a Winmart. I guess it's like a grocery store or something. Man, look at this. So big, so fresh. Cherries, though, me. So that's 800,000 a kilogram for cherries. That's how much cherries are in Vietnam. So this little package right here is like 20 bucks. That's insane, dude. $20 for this amount of cherries. Oh boy. Looks like apples are expensive as hell too. Oh man, this is gnarly, dude. That's a Japanese apple. It's huge. It's funny because all I really care about is the green mangoes and the gaup. I forgot what gaup is called, like Amberilla or something, I forgot. What is this? Dao Sadngok. So small little baby apples. Avocados. Very strange. Looks really different than what we have in the States in California. They have different variety. This is the sap đặc biệt 69K a kilogram. So roughly 23,000 is a dollar. Remember that 23,000 Vietnam dong is around a dollar, 23, 24, depending, you know. But man, they have so many different types of fruits here, dude. Many different varieties of apples, coconuts. Look at all the different color flowers. You got different colors. I'm really surprised to see this. Brussels sprouts. Never thought I would see it in a Vietnamese supermarket. And you know why? Check out that price. Holy crap. That is ballin', dude. You must really like want to impress your date to be cooking like 400K worth of Brussels sprouts. Jeez Louise. Oh, they have breads and stuff here. Kind of looking around because I ate like basically spring rolls with like roasted pork, and it didn't do the trick. I'm like still hungry, so I'm just like looking around to buy something and bring home. Check out all this different varieties of candy. Interesting. Jellies. This one's really interesting. I guess it's caramel. There's a kitchen at the place I'm staying. I wonder if I should ever cook something at home. This definitely looks like the Korean corner. That's all like Korean stuff. Korean cuts. The galbi, the steak, the kebabs. That's beef, right? I thought that was a slab of tuna, but I think it's beef. And you got your pork products. Man, this like supermarket has it all. So much to choose from. Oh man, are those turtles? Crabs. We got eggs in these little baskets. And you have your soup sit, which is your sausage corner. Those are hot dogs. Man, the sausage here is just not what we're used to. In the state, it's really different. Doesn't taste the same. Has like a chewy bite, but like not just the casing, but just all around, just chewy, and it tastes like can't really make out what you're eating. It's really different. Looks like here's the milk corner, yogurt, alcohol. Oh, what beer is this? That I have not tried. A product of excellence. Very reassuring. This is my favorite. Haven't had this. Vincom Hanoi. Ooh. I want to try that. But not today. It'd be more fun if it was more crowded, but it seems like everything's just really empty today. More snacks. Whoa, what's this? Nougat cream crackers? Oh. Yeah, this sounds really interesting. Nougat cream crackers. I'm kind of very intrigued by that one. Here's an M&M that looked like it has an orgasm face. A lot of pastries. Alright. I think I'm definitely... Ooh! They have Tabasco. It's actually priced pretty similar to America. Interesting. This is way cheap here. This is only like 50 something cents. 50 cents, I think. See what kind of other stuff this is. Nước mắm chay. Nước mắm chay. So is that like vegetarian nước mắm? I don't know. All these different brands that I've never seen before. It's all different. Everything here is different. All the mayo brands that I've never heard of. Like I have no idea who these brands, where those brands are. Alright. I think I'm gonna go get my san and end the video here. See you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all. Oh, it's a ring. I thought they'll let me bring that into the hotel. A lot of times those types of fruits are banned from hotels because it stinks. But it tastes delicious. All right, bye everyone.